So, hello everyone. So, we will today discuss about World Environment Day. World Environment Day is celebrated annually on 5th of June. Every year, it is organized by United Nations, and it is principal vehicle for encouraging awareness and action for protection of environment. It was first held in 1974. It has been a platform for raising awareness on environmental issues such as marine pollution, human overpopulation, global warming, sustainable consumption, and wildlife crime. So these are the main points of the World Environment. It was the first World Environment Day had the theme "Only One Earth." An Earth anthem was penned down by poet Abhay K. And it is sung to celebrate World Environment. The anthem was launched in 2013 by Kapil Sibal and Shashi Tharoor, the Union Minister of India, and the function was organized by Indian Council of Cultural Relations, New Delhi. It was supported by global organization Habitat for Humanity. So the theme of World Environment Day in 2021 is ecosystem restoration. So this is important for example. Ecosystem restoration is the theme. And this year Pakistan will be the global host for the World Environment. The event will see the launch of UN Decade on Ecosystem Restoration. So there will be launch of ecosystem restoration this year in that event. So ecosystem restoration, what does it imply? It means assisting in the recovery of ecosystem that has been degraded or destroyed. So we are using the ecosystem for a long time and we are in some or the other way destroying or degrading. So now we have to assist in its recovery. It also includes conservation of ecosystems that are fragile or still intact. So it includes conservation of ecosystems that are fragile or still, so something that is not destroyed due to conservation. So ecosystem can be restored in many ways. Planting trees is one of the easiest and best ways for caring it. So you can see there are 2-3 points that are important way. First is the theme in 2021 and the global host, which is Pakistan. So that was it. Thank you very much. Keep studying, keep revising.